Hey, field service pros, Scott here. We've spent this series breaking down what's happening across the major field service industries: lawn and landscaping, cleaning, snow removal, pool services, pest control, and going through these segments revealed some fascinating overlap. While the specifics are different, the pressures are all the same. So, let's get into what's actually carrying across all of them. First, retention beats acquisition. It costs more to win a new client than it does to keep the ones you already have. And when you lose a recurring client, you don't just lose their revenue. You lose their routes, the rhythm, and the operational efficiency that you built around serving them. But the fix isn't complicated. Show up when you say you will, do what you said you'd do, communicate proactively. Next, labor. This was a pressure point in every breakdown, and it's not loosening anytime soon. The best operators stop treating labor as an infinite resource and start designing operations around productivity. That means tighter routes, clearer instructions, better training, and treating retention on the team side as seriously as retention on the client side. Workers who feel supported stay longer, and workers who stay longer deliver more consistent services. Now, let's talk about recurring revenue. In every vertical we covered, recurring contracts come up as the financial backbone. Predictable revenue makes everything easier to plan: routes, inventory, hiring, even cash flow. And finally, systems. This one's closed out every single video for a reason. When your scheduling, communication, billing, and documentation all live in different places, you get friction. When those pieces are connected, you get control. You see the business clearly. You catch issues early, and you can scale without the chaos that usually comes with growth. For a lot of growing service businesses, that's a huge win. Not a new marketing channel, not another truck. It's the operational infrastructure that lets everything work. The businesses that win in 2026 won't necessarily be the biggest. They'll be the most operationally disciplined. That's where the opportunity lives. And that's where sustainable growth begins. If you want to dig deeper into how to grow your field service business, check out our blog. I'm Scott, content creator here at Service Autopilot. Thanks for watching.